Hi guys, good evening. So we are back with our weekly AMA, guys. I'm happy to connect with you all. Sorry, I couldn't make it up last week, but I made sure Arjun was there available. I could see that it was a very good, engaging call, engaging session you guys all had. I'm really happy to see that. Hi, Toddy. Great to have you. It's good to see you on every AMA, Toddy. I'm really happy to see that we have frequent just for AMA. So it's good to see all that. Um, so yeah, so guys, as usual, let's wait for some more time. We have people slowly joining in. As per our previous experience, it takes 2 to 3 minutes more for people to come in and start asking their questions. So I'll wait for some more time. Let's just give it 2 to 3 minutes more. Hi, SN. Happy that you have joined in. I was just saying, let's wait for some more time, SN. We have people slowly joining in. It's yet to be 6 o'clock, so let's just give some 2 3 minutes post 6 o'clock as well, so that people will start joining in. So yeah, so we have people who are coming in, guys. So we're gonna have this AMA session. I thought I'll discuss about features apart from trading in Giottus that could help you guys out in your usual crypto portfolio building. Apart from that, I will also, as usual, take a lot of questions from you guys. I've definitely got some amazing feedback from you all, and we've been able to implement a lot of those amazing feedbacks. Thanks to you all. I'm really finding this particular session that we are doing very, very engaging and very, very helpful for us. So thanks a lot for that. Now, let's just give in some more time, guys. I'm sorry I'm taking some time. I'm just waiting for people to join in. I would love to see a good crowd before I go ahead. So, hence, I'm waiting it out. Hope it's not a big trouble for a lot of people. So, yes, so let's wait for some more time, guys. Hi, Ravi. Ravi RCM. Happy that you have joined in. Tori, Ravi, SN. If you guys have some questions, also you can post it here. Maybe I'll slowly start answering the questions. In the meanwhile, when others are joining in, I can answer a couple of your questions, even, guys. So yeah, let's maybe try to do that. Oof, Tori has some good kitty of questions. Yes, Tori, I'll be happy to hear from you. So yeah, we have people slowly joining in. Uh, let's just give it few more minutes, and then I think we can start off the session. Okay, I have people slowly coming in. Oh, okay. Toddy has a question. One meme baskets. Yeah, Toddy, I'm uh, I'm with you. So we are supposed to be creating a lot of baskets, and meme baskets was one of those baskets that we wanted to create as well. But yeah, the biggest trouble, as you would know, when I create a meme basket, the composition of the basket seems to be something that has to keep changing continuously. So we are trying to see what is the logic that we can have so that we can at least have a stable basket. But yeah, having said that, I understand the nature of memes are such that it's really tough to have a stable basket for a long period of time. But having said that, we'll try to figure out what we can do there quickly. But yeah, but having said that, we have something on the meme basket range quickly coming up. SN, any plans to implement tax P&L report within Giottus platform? SN, we are building a P&L report. there's a bit of a delay, but I'm hoping within a week or so the PNL should go live. Um, but that is considering PNL of your trades and deposit withdrawals in Giottus only. So that definitely, yes, that will come out quickly within the next a week to 10 days max. They've already done it. They're just doing a lot of test runs to check if the values are populating right. I think should not take much of a time. That should be out. Tax report, for time being, we have partnered with Coinex. You can definitely use the Giottus promo code, and then you can register with Coinex and you can avail some free discounts there. Since for tax reporting, you will need data that has to be pulled from a lot of exchanges where you have done trades. Currently, we have not taken up tax reporting from the Giottus end. So that's why we pulled in a partner who you can use to pull data from different sources of where you have traded, and you can build your tax reports, which is much more holistic and much more better to have. So yeah, from tax report perspective, we will not be taking up something now. But yeah, if you have some suggestions and ideas on how we can solve that issue, where you have data across a lot of platforms, I'll be definitely happy to take it up as a product and see if we can build it. SN. Yeah. Um, okay, what do we have here? Okay, Aaron is saying that okay, the fixed rewards, fixed deposits APAs lows, please increase. Aaron, yes, we will try to see if we can get some more coins into the foray where we can increase the APYs. But if you have noticed, across the ecosystem, unlike how it was 2 years back, the APAs have been low, right? Market as such has not been as great or as high APA generating as it was 2 years back. Since the last bear market began, there has been a hit in the APIs. But having said that, I'll relook into it. Let's see if we can get the APIs better in majority of tokens. But having said that, what we did was we have given an array of tokens, a huge set of tokens where you can definitely put for fixed rewards. That's a starter that we have done. But having said that, we will try to see if we can get better anywhere. For the time being, TIA is the highest APA what we have, which is 20% APA. But let's try to see if there are some other coins where we can generate more APA that we can give it to you guys. Yeah. Okay, now we have a good set who has joined in. Now we have more questions that are coming through as well. Now let's start taking it up. Eh, Yeah, so Ravi Mani, hi Ravi Mani, happy to have you here. Um, and regarding render, I can still see the old render coin as well as the new render as well as in my holdings. Is that a bug? SN, I will ask my team to quickly check this out. I'm not logged into the system to check this out, but I'll take a note, Ravi, if there is. But if the old render coin is there, I don't think it will be active, or the trades will not be open as well, and the deposit withdrawals will not be open as well. Um, uh, Maybe they would have just had it on to showcase that there was this airdrop that was done already. But let me give it a quick check, SN, if there is an issue there. Thanks for pointing it out. That's very, very helpful and useful. When you start lend, I saw coming soon from long back. Yeah, master play. We are been ready with the lend product long back. Just that we are still not very clear from the regulatory point of view if we can launch the lend product. So we are taking a lot of opinions there to see if we can launch the product. So till now, I don't have a clear opinion that we have gone ahead. Though we have built the product, I've just put it on hold till the time I have a good clarity from the regulatory front that if we can launch a lend product. I'm happy that you've noticed that Master Player 3 are we wanted to bring it long back. It's obviously a really good DeFi product that we can launch. But yeah, we are there in an ecosystem where we have to make sure that we don't uh, touch on any regulatory issues. So yeah, so we put a pause on that for time being. Any plans to release crypto debit card service? Yes, and not now. Again, my answer is going to be the same. Being in India, we'll have to be very, very, very clear before we launch any product if we are not taking any regulatory zones, right? So debit card will fall somewhere there where there might be quite a few regulatory requirements that we have to go through. So debit card services for now, we'll just keep away from that till we get some clarity from the regulatory front. I know it's very exciting. I would love to have card services. I know we want crypto to grow to a level that we can easily use crypto in retail shops as well. To buy our coffees and buy our products, whatever we want. But though there could be some lightning networks where we can use and enable all that, the current Indian regulatory setup might not be very, very conducive for someone to launch such a product. And we've been very, very clear that we'll be launching products only when there is a good regulatory clarity, and there will be no issues neither for the organization nor for the customers when they use such a product. So debit cards for the time being, let's just keep away from it till there's a regulatory clarity. Yeah. Master Play 3R, you're welcome. Thanks for pointing that out. Anyway, um, why no offline events from Giottus? It needs regulatory too. That's a good one, Karthik. Um, it doesn't need really regulatory interventions to do offline events. Uh, we have done a few, but yeah, you're right. No, we've not done many offline events. We could do that. I just wish that the market also moves a bit higher so that it makes it even more conducive for us to conduct a lot of these events, so that I can also get a lot of footfalls when we conduct a lot of these events. So yeah, but anyway, I'll take this as a feedback. Let's see if we can plan some couple of offline events. I'd be happy to meet you guys. I mean, that's so encouraging that someone is asking why no offline events. I will definitely take that up and see if we can have some offline events, Karthik. Yes, and yes, some international banks even started to provide crypto services. So exciting times in India, everything will take time. Yes, yes, and I mean, we live in a market where we have to tread things very carefully. Uh, so that is very, very important for the ecosystem to grow in India. Though these products are not really tough to create and launch it, we'll have to be very, very sure that it will not get into any legal troubles when you guys use it. So we are very, very particular in that, and we'll make sure that any product that we launch will get into go live status only when there's a good go ahead from the government bodies. Yeah. So, Hariram Narayan, hi. Isn't Geotas made from Chennai? That's so cool. Keep it up, guys. I hope you guys are much different from WhatsApp. Hariram, thank you. Thanks for those wishes. Yes, we're based out of Chennai. We're headquartered out of Chennai. We started Geotas 7 years. It's going to be 7 years for Geotas, guys. This November. It's uh, okay, guys. I have a bit of a power outage here, so you're gonna see a darker version, even more darker version of me for some time. Please hold tight to it. Nothing to do with me per se, just that the electricity has gone here. I'm just hoping that the generators will be up pretty soon. So till the time the picture quality is going to be back, and finishing the answer to you, Hariram, yes, we're back. No, we are much uh, different. We've always made sure that we are very, very customer centric. Even till now, when someone asks what is the key differentiator of Geotas versus any competitor, I say my Customer support and the customer experience that you get from Giottus is the biggest differentiator that we provide. We take customers very seriously. That's why we make sure that we do a lot of things which are in line with what is good for the customer. See, as a matter of fact, we are the only guys who are completely registered in India. I don't have a parent entity or subsidiary entity, this entity, that entity based out of India. So Giottus has a single entity, and that entity is based out of Chennai. So whatever happens to Giottus, or any issue that you have with Giottus, you want to try Giottus, you can try it in the court of Indian laws only. So that's a key differentiation that as a customer at this point of time, I kept thinking that will this be important for customers at any point of time? Will someone feel that an exchange fully based out of India, will it become a big differentiator in India at all? Will customers even understand why it is so important? I kept thinking, is it going to be realized and recognized by the customers? Uh, but fortunately or unfortunately, post this incident, a lot of customers have started asking the question of what is the status of registration of the exchanges in India. And now at that point of time, I'm very happy to say to you guys that we are the only guys who are full and fully registered out of India. So yes, Hariram, we are very, very serious about our customers, and we'll be making sure that we do everything possible to ensure that you have a safe, secure, and a comfortable trading experience when you're trading with us. Toddy is asking what is the difference between crypto SIP then share market SIP. So SIP is SIP, Toddy. So you periodically can invest in a particular product. So in this case, it is crypto. In share markets, it is going to be stocks. Uh, Here, the interesting feature is, unlike what you see in the stock markets, in Geotas, you will notice that you can put an SIP in an hourly basis. That's very interesting thing that we got in. Like you can do an SIP, like you want to do a buy every single hour, you can do it. You can do a buy every day, you can do it weekly, monthly, quarterly, you can do in that duration frames. This interesting feature of doing it hourly, we got it in when there was this high volatility in the market, and people were thinking, okay, now I want to average it out. The prices are going up and down. I want to buy today. So let me put an hourly SIP, split my buys into 10 parts, and let me put an hourly SIP for 10 times. So it's very unique and pretty much very interesting feature that we have in Geotas, which is also very crypto specific. I think it's very useful feature. People who have not tried it, I definitely suggest you guys should try it. With a lot of price movements and volatility that we are seeing, this could be really helpful for you guys in averaging out things and automating your trades. Yeah, Toddy, I hope that would have answered. If not, I'll be happy to answer more. How big Web3 job opportunity will be there in the future? And I'm I'm putting it in this way, Toddy. Now, the whole concept of Web3 is taking and throwing away a lot of the centralized entities, right? So the centralized entity could be people as big as your Google, Apple, Amazon, the FANGs, or your Ola, Uber, any one of these centralized entities, right? Any centralized entity whose ecosystem is majorly working on a digital environment, Web3 can easily change and take over that. Now, imagine when that happens, the amount of job opportunity that is going to get created when all these old industries are going to get moved into the new industry, which is the Web3. So there's a huge scope for a huge job opportunities for Web3 people in the near and also in the upcoming future as well. So yeah, so the future is pretty bright as I see it. Karthik, we want to lend and borrow. Karthik says we want to lend and borrow. Giottus, please launch soon. So Karthik, we built the product. We have things ready. Just that we've been taking some legal feedbacks on is it okay to launch the product in this market. We've still not gotten a really good clarity on if it is okay to launch a lending product in the Indian market, a crypto lending product, obviously, in the Indian market. Will it lead to unnecessary troubles from a lot of other regulators? We're still evaluating that. We made the product, we built the product, but we put it on pause. We're just hoping that we get a clarity on this soon. Maybe the question paper that is supposed to come out this month, I'm not sure if it is still scheduled to come out this month or is there going to be a delay. I'll be happy if they talk about it, and if right questions are raised, I'll be happy if it is acted upon it. So it needs some more clarity, and Karthik. So with more clarity, I think we could easily launch the product. So we have the product ready, but we're waiting for some legal clarifications there. Kalyan Kumar, hi Kalyan, happy to see you. I have a three account in my home, one me and two account other members. So I'm very happy and proud to see this Kalyan that uh, we've been used as a family platform. I'm very happy to see that. It feels so happy to see that we've been able to create the trust that as a family you guys can use the platform. That's so humbling, and that's so happy to see that, Kalyan. I'm very glad that you guys are using the platform. I'm hoping that you guys are facing no troubles. But if you guys are facing any troubles, well, happy to hear them. If there is anything I can do, I'll be happy to do it to make your experience better. And if anyone has got more feedbacks, more queries, I'll be happy to take them as well. Okay, we have current went and came back. Okay, now I have something from Aaron as well. A custom basket is not any chance to add, but I saw a description there about that. Aaron, I think uh, amazing. I'm seeing people have done doing amazing research about the website. The features that we have put in there. Custom baskets is up and coming feature. You could build your own custom basket. You could save it. You could also share it with your friends. We are going to get this feature live very soon, Aaron. We initially thought that we will launch this feature right after we built the baskets itself, but uh, but we thought that let baskets get some more adoption. Let there be more adoption, more people using basket. Let's get the baskets a better products. We were waiting for that. Now we built it into a much more stable, better product with a lot of people using it. I think it's ideal time. We will get quickly ahead with the launch of custom baskets. Aaron, thank you, Aaron. Thank you for pointing it out. I'm really happy that people have gone through the platform, taken a look at the features that we have. Now, to people who have not seen the other features that Giottus have, ideally that's. I thought I'll talk a little about that in the little or more about that in this AMA. That's the topic of this AMA. So, apart from trading, guys, where you can trade either in the spot markets, in Giottus, where we have more than 250 plus coins that we have listed. So at this point of time, Giottus is the largest exchange in terms of number of coins listed for INR pair trading. You will not find any other exchange in India where you can buy 250 plus tokens with your INR directly. So we are leading in that number. Not just that, in terms of even number of coins or tokens where you can do crypto deposits and withdrawals, Geodes is much higher than any one of the competitors which are currently there in the market. And yes, I would reiterate the fact we are the only exchange in the Indian market who have withdrawals also open. I know there is a tedious EDD process. That EDD is basically we'll ask more information so that we can enable the crypto withdrawal. But having said that, we are the only guys who are enabling crypto withdrawal. Uh, we made sure we follow the right systems process, and we are extremely compliant in all the way possible. And we also ensure that we give the feature of crypto withdrawal. So people who feel that this is very important, uh, they should definitely be trying out Geotus. I don't think there's any other platform where you have an instant INR deposit and withdrawal. Deposit crypto within I mean, deposit INR within 10 seconds, buy crypto within the next 10 seconds, sell it if you want even, or withdraw it in the next 10 seconds, and or if you want to sell it, and also take it out as INR within the next 10 seconds. So we are the only platform within 30 seconds you can deposit, buy, withdraw, or deposit crypto, sell, and withdraw INR. We're the only platform where you can get the speed of finishing your trade. I don't think any other platform at this point in India can deliver such a service to any of its customers, guys. And I'm really proud that we were able to build this seamless flow to the customers. Now, apart from this, we also have features of baskets. Basket is basically a bundle of products based on themes. Now, if you guys have used um, small case, which is in the equity market, where you have a theme and you have stocks based on the theme. Similarly, in the crypto market, we built something called baskets, wherein we have something like a DeFi basket, which is basically a combination of DeFi tokens. So someone who wants to get an exposure or buy DeFi tokens and who are unsure about what all DeFi tokens are there, which is good and bad, but they want to have an exposure, DeFi basket is the right place for you to start your investment in this zone. So like that, we have quite a few baskets. The we call something called the beginner's luck. Basically, if you're new to the ecosystem and you want to start with something, I think beginner's luck was the best thing that you can start with. What we did in beginner's luck is we loaded it up with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ideally, that is the portfolio I would suggest any beginner to begin with. So there are quite a few baskets like this based on themes. We have beginner's luck, we have crypto large caps, which is composed of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BSC chain, and so on. The large caps in this ecosystem, if you want an exposure in that. We have DeFi tokens, metaverse tokens. So we have a list of these baskets based on themes that you can go and invest in. So I think it is very, very interesting for people who are new in this ecosystem and who want to get exposure into these different sets or different sub industries within crypto, because crypto ecosystem. I think baskets are the right thing that you want to try out with. Now, before I go on to the next product, let me take some more questions here. I'm sorry, guys, I have a bit of a sore throat. Sorry that I'm making a lot of these noises. The Guardian Resort, we are running hotel business. Can we add Bitcoin as payment? Is that possible now? Guardian, you can do it. It might bring you some adoption. It can also bring you a good PR. But is there a easy Bitcoin payment product that will quickly convert your Bitcoin into INR so that you don't have to have an exposure for all your payments? Such a product is still not easily available in India, not because it's a technical issue, just that RBA has once said that they don't want to be seeing crypto to be used as payments. So most of us have kept away from it, worrying if it will create an issue with the regulator. But yeah, there's nothing legally stopping you from having such a product, and definitely it'll definitely help good adoption and good PR as well. Definitely it's a cool news to say that you as an entity accept Bitcoin as payments. I would love to promote you in my platform, even if you're going to do that. So yes, Guardian Resort. That's I can visit your resort sometime and pay in crypto as well. Maybe let's start it from there. What say? Has there any issues in enabling deposit withdrawals for L1s, for example, Caspa? So there's no issues, SN. It is just that when there is more demand for any token or any network, we go ahead, we build things that are needed for the network, because there's also a cost in running the nodes for the network. So there's a good cost of running the node, there's an implementation cost. So there's a good cost whenever we make a network live. Now, as I said, we are one of those guys who have the maximum number of deposit and withdrawals open in the Indian ecosystem. So we have definitely invested heavily in building the wallet infrastructure and the token and the network infrastructure, so that you guys can easily deposit and withdraw. So it is completely based on supply. I mean, demand. If there's more demand for a particular L1 or any chain, even L2 or any chain, we will definitely be enabling it. So it completely depends on what customer demand is there. Master Play 3, I invested in Metaverse Basket. I'm very excited for you, Master Play 3. We'll try to put our head into more basket. There is this uh, A basket that we are also planning to build in, because that has been the theme for quite some time now. So A basket, meme token basket. Um, there are couple of more ones the teams were discussing. I'm not able to quickly recall that. Yeah, so you'll definitely gonna have few more exciting baskets coming in your way. The Guardian has had a lot of foreigners asking crypto payments. Let's see. That's interesting to see that we are actually seeing a use case coming into play. This has been one of the biggest use cases that we've all been talking, that crypto being used for payments, and it's good to see that there is good demand that is already there, that you're seeing the Guardian Resort. It's very encouraging to for people in this ecosystem to see. We are seeing ecosystems growing and also use cases coming live. That is very exciting to see. Now, apart from this, now let me move on to the next product that we have. It's a fixed rewards product, guys. So it is straightforward. Now let's consider you're a hodler. You bought a crypto. You're just holding it. You're not earning anything out of it apart from the price appreciation, obviously. Now, if you think that why should you just hold it? Why can't you earn something out of it? You can check out our fixed rewards platform, guys. We have the largest array of fixed rewards currently available in the Indian market. So you can do check it out. It's just a simple one-click product. Depending on the number of days that you're going to lock it, you're going to have different percentage of rewards that you're going to get. So that is a product where, see, if you're a general investor, like how you do in other markets, you invest in a product, and if there is further opportunity to earn more out of the product, then why not just take it out, right? And earn more out of it. That's ideally the fixed rewards product, and I'm pretty sure that we have a large array of products there that you can definitely earn a lot of that additional alpha that you want from your crypto products that you've already invested in. So fixed reward is the next amazing investment products that we have in uh, the ecosystem. Now, apart from fixed rewards, we also have staking. Now, staking is something that it's been a known term to the ecosystem. So there are quite a lot of tokens, coins, which have staking enabled, and we are also providing an opportunity for you to earn by staking your tokens. So if you're invested in any token which has proof of staking, and you want to also earn staking rewards, Giottus is the platform that you can use. You can go check out our staking page. We again have a good starter mix there, since you will definitely not find a lot of tokens who have staking enabled, but we have a good starter mix there. So people who want to start exploring with the staking, I think you could definitely check out our staking products. Now let me answer more questions. Kuti kids, how are you different from Wazirex? Kuti, I'm just going to answer from the perspective of uh, the incidents that has happened, and what queries the customers had and how Giottus is in that perspective. So first thing, Kuti, so we use BitGo as our custodial service provider. And BitGo is one of the largest players in the world. And BitGo is also an fully insurance custodial service provider. So in case of any issues like this, we have an insurance to back it up. So that is one big difference. The next thing, we are the only exchange, I highlighted, underline it, bold it, to be fully based out of India. We don't have a foreign entity as a parent entity, subsidiary entity. There is no other foreign entity which has anything to do with Giottus. Giottus is fully based out of India. So you have any troubles with Giottus, you want to take legal action against Giottus, you could do it only in the Indian courts and not anywhere else outside. So I think from these perspectives, uh, there's been two key things that I could point out, apart from the fact that Giottus has always been the organization who has made sure that we have been extremely customer centric and customer focused. Our support has been one of the best in this industry. We have made sure that we keep our customer support the best in the industry. So we do all this to ensure that we continuously keep talking to our customers. So this engagement that you're seeing at even the founder level, wherein we want to be continuously engaged with the ecosystem. This is also one of the ways that we want to say that we're very very close to the ecosystem. We are not too different from you guys. We are just like you guys uh, who have the love for the crypto ecosystem, who want to make good returns on the crypto ecosystem, and also want to provide a really good platform where the customers can also make good returns on the crypto ecosystem in the completely ethical way. So that's been our goal. And the way we are structured, the way we have our products and everything also gives in a lot of lesser risk or very, very low risk when you trade with Giottus. So that's how we are different, guys, if that answers. Yes, and most CEX providing DeFi wallet as well. So any plans for Giottus? Yes, and actually we are planning something a bit different. Guys, please bear with me. I have a very bad cold and a sore throat. I'm really sorry that I'll have to keep making these noises, blowing myself out. But sorry, yeah. So we have a much different plan where we are trying to see if we can give an option where you can access the DeFi products directly from your Giottus uh, wallets, right? So that we make it easy for you guys rather than asking you to take the pain of handling the wallet, security, and everything. We are trying to see if we can provide low risk options which you can directly in Giottus connect to a DeFi space. We have products that are in work in progress. Maybe a few months down the line, I'll be giving out a few more exciting news from that end. Toddy, agree with an SN with three wallet, please. Yeah, Toddy. I'll have something even more exciting than that, Toddy. You'll have a combo of things. I'll keep you guys posted. Give me a few months' time. We have the products. Work in progress. We'll get out soon. Regarding Resort, thanks for the information. I'm very, very happy to uh, uh, hear the demand that you have, Guardian. It's really good to see all the demand that the ecosystem wants. Now, I have spoken about these interesting products. I've spoken about SIP, I've spoken about fixed rewards, I've spoken about baskets. Now, there's one more thing that I want to talk about, guys. It is the referral program that Giottus has. Giottus has one of the most interesting referral programs wherein you can get 60 percentage of the revenue that we collect from the customers as trading fee. Now, not just that, for every customer that you refer, you'll get free spin coupons that you can spin and earn further cryptos. We have one of the most engaging and the most rewarding referral programs that we have for everyone who's watching this. I strongly suggest that do check out our referral page. There's a lot of rewards that you get, uh, and with the spin tokens, you definitely have a good opportunity to earn a lot of cryptos as well, guys. So do check out our referral programs as well. Aaron, add more coins and staking to yes, Aaron. We're definitely on it. Just that staking also requires a lot of infrastructural enabling to do, which is also a heavily expensive thing to go ahead with. But still, we'll definitely be enabling a lot of products in the staking gamut as well. Thanks for that feedback. I'll definitely take that feedback up. Now, Good, guys. Now I've answered the questions that have come on the way, and I've taken you through the products. Now, there are some key highlights also I want to discuss, guys. Now, in Giottus, we also pride a lot in being uh, one of the guys who are very, very fast in launching a lot of tokens. Now, uh, our team also makes sure that we continuously keep listening to the market. We continuously evaluate the market and see if there is some token that is having extreme excitement in the market, and we have to go ahead and launch, be the first to launch in the Indian market. We've been quite good in launching. I think we've been quite good. I'll be happy to take your feedback rather than boasting it here. Uh, but to a level best, we've tried a level best to be the first in the market to launch a particular token. But I'll be also happy, guys, if you think that there is something that I'll have to look into that would be really, really helpful for you guys to increase your earning opportunity, make your investment opportunity even better. I'll be really, really happy to look into it. Uh, SN, let me take a feedback from my team. I do remember giving it to my team. I'm not sure what came out of the evaluation, but I'm sorry I don't have a feedback now. SN, let me just quickly check it out and see what's the status there. Are we looking into it or not? Let me please give me this time. I'll just quickly check and get back to you for the next AMA. I hope it's okay. Sorry that I don't have an answer now. So yeah, guys, that's quickly from my side. If there is any feedback that you guys want to give me, if there's any big trouble that you guys are facing that we want us to correct, please let me know. Uh, Rabindro Chinkagam, hi Rabindro. I'm happy that you have joined in. If there's any query that you have, I'll be happy to answer. What are the zero fees I saw post but don't know? I'm not sure which one is that, master player, but I can just say a few things. We are one of those platforms who have a lot of these withdrawal fees for a lot of these chains. We have a zero fee. Uh, I don't think that you will find any other platform who has such a feature. For example, for Tron, we have zero fee. For XRP, XLM, we have a zero fee, or not zero fee, maybe very low fee. I think XRP is just zero point 0.5 XRP or something. So, in that perspective, our fees in most of the tokens are like, for example, LTCV cap is zero fee. So, I'm not sure if that is what you're addressing to or if there's something else. Oh, yeah, easy buy sell. Yeah, the easy buy sell is a zero fee zone. We don't charge anything. You definitely see a lot of other exchanges charging you a fee there, but we don't charge any fee. It is just a spread that we make money in, and we don't charge anything apart from that. That's a place obviously you can. Any for new people, that is a really, really good place to buy in case you're looking into investing in anything in crypto. Now that's quickly from my side, guys. If there's any more questions, I'll be happy to answer. Or it's been a really, really engaging and amazing session we've had. A lot of interesting questions we've had. We got someone who's having a resort who wanted to use crypto for payments. That was one of the best things I've heard in the recent times, where I've seen a use case and people want a use case. That's amazing. Good evening, Anand Singh. Great to have you here. You have any questions, I'll be happy to answer, Anand. I'm just thinking I'll quickly wrap this session up because I'm seeing the velocity of questions have started coming down. I think people have asked their questions. I suppose I'm hoping I did not miss any questions before. Did I miss anything? No, I don't think I missed anything. I think I've done a decent job in not missing out any questions, guys, this time. Yeah. So wonderful, guys. It has been great connecting with you this week as well. Don't forget, I'll be doing this AMA every single week, 6 p.m. Monday. So Monday 6 p.m. I'll be very very happy if I can connect with you guys, discuss with you, talk to you, get some really good feedbacks, be it something that we have to change, or be it something we have to implement, or be it something that you love about us. I'll be very, very happy to hear that. So please do tune in back Monday, 6 p.m. again. I'll be happy to connect with you guys. Till the time, it was great talking to you all. Thank you guys. Bye bye.